Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna try the crispy battered fish fillet by Gorton's. Over here, it's only cooked. No, it's cooked using oven. Again, it's preferred method. Because if you do it with microwave, it's not gonna taste the same. It also says that in the bottom over here on the box. If you read it, the microwaving is not recommended. Additional information, nutritional facts, ingredients, and over here is just description. Crispy fillets with salad and snow peas. I mean, you can add that, so if you have this fish fillet, you can add snow peas and yeah, salad if you're eating it. All right, we're gonna put this one on the baking pan. I'm gonna spray a non-stick spray on it before I put the fish. And let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside. Alright. Over here, I'm kind of surprised though. Like, it doesn't have a plastic on it. It's it's just straight fish inside. Usually, if you open the box, right, it has at least a plastic container before you actually open it. And then now I'm just rearranging the fish fillet, trying to space it out so that it can bake evenly. Again, it's limited space. Also, it's a small baking pan, but this should work for now. All right, we're gonna preheat the oven to 425. Again, cooking time is 22 to 24 minutes. This time I'll choose the 24 minutes because the instruction for this baking would be you have to flip over the fish fillet by 12 minutes. So that's only the difference. So I'm gonna put this one on the oven. It's ready for baking. And again, watch out for 12 minutes. I'm gonna flip it on the other side of the fish fillet so that both sides are cooked. All right, later on. All right, it's 12 minutes. I'm gonna try to get it out of the oven for a bit and then flip. Again, it's hot. Sometimes if you get distracted, you forget that the oven or the pan is warm, so you have to be careful all the time. All right, we're gonna flip this one. And then put it back in the oven after. Yeah, this one I'm trying to be careful not to actually destroy the the fillet, because it's not super soft, but it's not super hard either. So if you're not careful in flipping, it would break in half, or it's not gonna look as fancy. The breaded surface would probably come out or come off. But yeah, I'm gonna do it on each one of the fillet. And then yeah, put it back in for the remaining time, I mean. All right, let's close it and just wait. All right, time's up, so it's ready for serving. I'm gonna grab it from the oven. Yeah, it smells good. I can actually smell the fish already. Even my dog starts to smell it too. Okay, super hot. And we're just gonna move it. I'm just gonna move it to the plate as much and put as much as I can fit. Probably 4 pieces. You can see that it's juicy. There's there's oozing fluid coming out of the fillet. I'm guessing if you have a bigger or a larger pan, it would be easier to actually like flip. But again, if you know it all, because like just for me, it's just like being resourceful and making sure that you know I can still do the same thing that's required. All right, we have a Chipotle. I don't know how to pronounce it. Like again, Thousand Island dressing. It's like feel like mayo and ketchup mix. And also I'm gonna use for more option just a regular tomato ketchup as well. Yep. So I think this is it, guys. I think should be good enough. Yeah, it looks really good too. Alright guys, thank you for watching.